Welcome to this short presentation about Microsoft Azure. Thank you for joining me today. The topic we're diving into is Microsoft Azure. For those of you who may not be entirely familiar with Azure, this is Microsoft's cloud computing platform, and it's designed to help businesses like yours operate more efficiently, innovate faster, and scale on demand. Today, I'll walk you through how Azure can support small and medium-sized enterprises by addressing some of your key challenges. We'll discuss its core features, why it's a great choice, and how it can benefit your business in practical terms. So, let's jump right in and explore how Azure can help you work smarter and achieve more. Let's take a closer look at Microsoft Azure and what it offers. First, Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform. It provides a comprehensive set of services that businesses can use to build, deploy, and manage applications. These services cover everything from compute power to data storage, networking, and even artificial intelligence tools. Essentially, Azure gives businesses the flexibility and capability to innovate without needing to maintain expensive on-premises hardware. Second, Azure operates on a truly global scale. It has over 60 regions worldwide and more than 200 data centers. This ensures that businesses, regardless of location, can benefit from low latency and high performance. This means fast access to nearby data centers, compliance with local regulations, and secure data residency options. Finally, let's talk about its purpose. Azure is designed to help businesses scale efficiently. This means that whether you're a small SME or a growing mid-sized company, Azure allows you to add or reduce resources as needed. It's not just about saving costs, it's also about improving agility and enabling you to adapt quickly to changing business needs. In short, Azure is built to support businesses like yours, helping you reduce IT infrastructure costs, operate more effectively, and stay competitive in today's fast-paced market. Microsoft Azure provides a broad range of services to help businesses achieve their goals, whether that's improving operations, scaling their infrastructure, or innovating with new technologies. Let me walk you through some of the key services Azure offers. First, we have virtual machines, VMs. These allow businesses to run applications and workloads on scalable, virtualized infrastructure. It's like having your own server in the cloud without the physical hardware, giving you the flexibility to adapt as your needs grow. Second, Azure provides storage solutions. Options like Azure Blob Storage and Azure Files make it easy to securely store, backup, and access your data. This is particularly important for businesses that need reliable, scalable storage for their growing data needs. Next, SQL databases offer managed database services that take away the hassle of maintaining on-premises databases. These services are fully managed by Azure, which means less time worrying about maintenance and more time focusing on your business. Web and app hosting is another highlight. Azure makes it easy to deploy websites and applications through services like Azure App Service and Azure Web Apps. Whether you're building a corporate website or a custom app, Azure provides the tools you need. Finally, Azure excels in AI and OpenAI services. Azure gives you access to tools like machine learning and natural language processing, which can be used to enhance your business intelligence, customer interactions, and overall efficiency. Now, while we've been talking about Azure's services, you've probably noticed that we're already creating a virtual machine in Azure in the background. This demonstrates just how quick and easy it is to get started with Azure. In just a few minutes, you can spin up resources and be ready to run your applications, all with just a few clicks. This ease of use is one of the reasons why Azure is so widely adopted by businesses around the world. Now let's talk about why businesses, especially small and medium enterprises, should choose Microsoft Azure. Azure stands out for 4 key reasons. First, cost savings. Azure operates on a pay-as-you-go model, which means you only pay for what you actually use. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments in hardware. It's a great way to lower costs while still gaining access to powerful infrastructure and services. Second, flexibility. One of Azure's biggest advantages is how easily it allows you to scale. As your business grows, you can add more resources. If you have periods of lower activity, you can scale down. This ensures you're always using just the right amount of resources for your current needs, without wasting money or running out of capacity. Third, built-in security. Security is a top priority for Azure. With advanced features like data encryption, threat detection, and 24/7 monitoring, you can trust that your data and applications are safe. Microsoft also has a huge team of security professionals and AI-driven tools working to keep the platform secure. Finally, business continuity. Azure ensures high availability and disaster recovery, which means your business can keep running smoothly even in the face of unexpected events. Whether it's server outages or natural disasters, Azure's global infrastructure and failover capabilities mean minimal downtime for your business. In short, Azure isn't just about moving to the cloud, it's about doing so in a way that saves money, enhances security, and ensures your business remains flexible and resilient. Now let's talk about how billing works in Microsoft Azure. One of Azure's key strengths is its flexible billing model, which makes it accessible for businesses of all sizes. First, the pay-as-you-go model. With this approach, you are charged based on actual usage. This means you only pay for the resources you consume, such as storage, computing power, and network bandwidth. There are no large upfront investments, making it an ideal choice for businesses that want to maintain flexibility and control over costs. Second, Azure offers flexible pricing options. The pay-as-you-go option is best for unpredictable workloads. You're billed monthly based on usage, and it's perfect if your needs fluctuate. Reserved instances allow you to save up to 72% on resources like virtual machines by committing to a 1- or 3-year plan. This is great for workloads that are steady and predictable, such as running business-critical applications. Finally, spot pricing gives you access to significant discounts by using available capacity. This is ideal for short-term or non-critical workloads where you can tolerate interruptions. Third, there is resource-based billing, which means charges vary depending on the type of resource being used. Compute resources, such as virtual machines, are billed per hour or even per second. Storage solutions like Azure Blob Storage are billed based on the amount of data stored in gigabytes. Network usage, including data transfers, is billed by the volume of data moving out of Azure. Azure's billing structure ensures that you only pay for what you need, with options to save more if your workload is predictable. Whether your business is scaling up or down, you'll always have a clear view of your costs and options to optimize them. Now let's take a closer look at how billing works from a practical perspective in Azure. First, Azure provides complete transparency when it comes to your usage and costs. As a customer, you can track your usage directly in the Azure portal, which provides a detailed breakdown in USD. The portal shows you exactly where your resources are being consumed, allowing you to monitor and optimize your expenses in real time. You can also set budgets or alerts to make sure you don't go over your expected spending. Second, for your convenience, AccessOrange simplifies the billing process. At the end of each month, we will send you an invoice in your local currency. This means you don't have to worry about currency conversions or fluctuations. Everything is managed to align with your local business practices. This approach ensures not only transparency, but also makes managing your IT budgets easier and more predictable. By using the tools in the Azure portal and leveraging AccessOrange support, you have full control over your costs while benefiting from all the power Azure provides. One of the best ways to optimize your Azure spending is by using reserved instances. Let me explain how this works and why it's a great option for predictable workloads. First, what are reserved instances? These allow you to prepay for virtual machines or other resources by committing to a 1- or 3-year plan. By locking in your commitment, you can save substantially compared to pay-as-you-go rates. In fact, businesses can save up to 72% on Azure costs when they choose this option. Second, the cost savings. Reserved instances are ideal for consistent usage, like running business-critical applications or managing databases. They're especially valuable for workloads that remain steady over time, such as ERP systems, web servers, or file storage. Third, let's talk about flexibility. Azure offers flexible terms with options for 1 or 3-year commitments. The longer the term, the greater the savings. If your needs change, Azure provides exchange and refund options. You can switch instances to better fit your requirements or even refund unused time. This ensures you're not locked into something that no longer works for your business. Finally, reserved instances are best for predictable workloads. If you have applications or services with stable demand, this is the perfect way to maximize value and reduce costs over time. As you can see on the graph, the cost difference between pay-as-you-go and reserved instances is significant. By planning ahead and reserving capacity, your business can save money while ensuring you have the resources you need to operate efficiently. Many businesses are embarking on a key journey today, migrating to the cloud in order to modernize their operations. Let's walk through the steps of this process. First, exit your data center. Moving to Azure allows you to leave behind the challenges and costs of managing your own physical infrastructure. Whether it's hardware maintenance, scaling limitations, or unpredictable downtime, transitioning to Azure eliminates these pain points and lets you focus on growing your business. Second, lock in pricing and discounts. With Azure, you can take advantage of predictable pricing models and save costs by using your existing licenses. Programs like Azure Hybrid Benefit ensure that you're maximizing the value of your investments while significantly reducing overall expenses. Third, modernize on your terms. Azure provides the flexibility to innovate at your own pace. With services tailored for various industries and workloads, you can adopt cutting-edge solutions like AI, machine learning, and advanced analytics to gain a competitive edge without disrupting your operations. Finally, achieve better business results. By retiring technical debt and freeing up resources, Azure helps you focus on what matters most: innovation and delivering value to your customers. With a modern, cloud-based infrastructure, your business can scale faster, operate more efficiently, and adapt to changing market needs. In summary, migrating to Azure is not just about moving to the cloud. It's about unlocking opportunities for innovation and achieving your long-term business goals. Let's explore how businesses can migrate and secure their existing infrastructure with Azure. First, Windows Server and SQL Server workloads. Azure runs these workloads more efficiently, offering unbeatable cost savings and advanced management automation. With Azure, you also benefit from built-in security and seamless integration with other Azure services, enabling you to scale and manage your infrastructure with ease. Second, enable a secure remote desktop experience from anywhere. Azure Virtual Desktop allows you to securely deploy and scale Windows 10 and Windows 11 on any device from anywhere. This is perfect for businesses with remote or hybrid workforces. Plus, Azure helps reduce costs by utilizing your existing licenses and ensuring you only pay for what you use. Third, migrate Windows Server and VMware workloads. Azure offers flexible migration options for VMware. Migrate VMware as is. Continue running VMware workloads on Azure with full compatibility, maintaining the same tools and workflows you're already familiar with. Azure even includes VMware subscriptions. Modernize to native Azure. Shift entirely to Azure's compute, storage, and networking services to fully unlock the benefits of cloud-native solutions, such as enhanced scalability and efficiency. Finally, Linux and OSS database workloads. Azure provides integrated support for Linux distributions like Red Hat, SUSE, and Ubuntu, as well as database solutions like Cosmos DB, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. With hybrid licensing for RHL and SUSE, businesses can save significantly while ensuring smooth operation. Azure offers the flexibility to handle both open source and enterprise-grade workloads, all while ensuring high performance and reliability. By migrating to Azure, businesses can secure their workloads, reduce operational costs, and future-proof their infrastructure for innovation and growth. Migration to Azure is a critical step in modernizing your business operations, but it's not just about moving workloads, it's about doing it efficiently, securely, and with minimal disruption. That's where AccessOrange can help. With our skilled migration expertise, we work alongside your team to drive your Azure migration initiatives. Our services include project management. We ensure that the migration process is well structured with clear timelines and deliverables, so everything stays on track. Technical consulting and execution. Our team of experienced professionals provides hands-on guidance and handles the technical complexities of migration, whether you're moving Windows, VMware, Linux, or database workloads. Industry-specific skills. We tailor our approach to align with your industry's specific needs, ensuring your migration supports your business goals. By partnering with AccessOrange, you can accelerate your move to Azure while reducing risks and freeing up your internal resources to focus on what matters most: running your business and driving innovation. Let us help you make your migration not just a transition, but a transformation. Thank you for joining us today and taking the time to learn about the transformative potential of Microsoft Azure for your business. Azure offers the tools and flexibility to help your organization grow, modernize, and innovate. Whether it's scaling your operations, securing your infrastructure, or achieving cost efficiencies, Azure empowers businesses to adapt to the demands of today's digital landscape. If you're ready to take the next step, AccessOrange is here to help. From migration planning and execution to technical consulting and ongoing support, we have the expertise to make your transition to Azure smooth and successful. For more information, feel free to visit our website at accessorange.com or email us directly at info@accessorange.com. You can also scan the QR code on this slide to get started right away. Together, let's transform your business with Azure. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.